guys, welcome to the Celtic English Academy Junior Baking. My name's Nia and today we are going to be making Welsh cakes. Welsh cakes are traditional food from Wales. Wales is basically a country from the United Kingdom, such as Scotland, Ireland and England. So, let's get baking. So, first we're going to add 225 grams of plain flour. Secondly, we're going to add 85 grams of caster sugar. Next, we're going to take 100 grams of butter into small pieces, cut into small pieces. Now we're going to add half a teaspoon of mixed spice. Next, we're going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder. Next, I will be mixing up all the ingredients as if I was making a crumble. Now I'm at the consistency where I think it's acting a bit like crumble. I'm now going to add my currants. And once I've mixed them in properly, I will add 1 large egg.
Be careful.
And now I'm going to add my splash of milk. I think it's really stiff, so if you need to, you can get an adult to help. Okay, I think this is the right consistency now. So now we just need to roll this out into small batches. But before we do so, I'm just going to sprinkle on some of the plain flour we used earlier. And now we're going to use the rolling pin to roll it out. So now we're going to use the cutter to cut out the shapes. Okay, so now I've done my first batch. I'm just going to repeat this over and over again so I can get a lot of Welsh cakes. As you can see, there's not enough room on the board to lay all these out. So we're just gonna lay them all on this plate. And make sure there's a space between them so they don't stick together. Now they're all ready to be cooked. So I think we're going going to use this spatula so we can cook our Welsh cakes. But please remember that if you are a child, please make sure that you are an adult supervised. So first we're going to pot on our stove to the lowest temperature possible. And now we're going to check if it's warm. I think it should be good. And you don't really need oil, but if you would like to, be free to. So now we can start cooking these. But try not to burn them. So now we're going to put on our timer for a few minutes. Okay. So once the first batch will be ready, we're just going to wait patiently. But once they are finished, we're going to put them in this sugar plate so they can be covered in some sugar. So I think they should be ready to flip now. I'm just going to check on one. Yeah, they should be like that when you flip, because you can flip them once or twice. I think that's perfectly cooked.
You sure?
Come look. Come on.
Oh, that looks cool.
I think it should be around this colour when you're about to take them off. I'm just gonna use them. I think these would be easier.
Okay. You're going to use a chopstick.
But they're easier to use. You can just dip them in sugar now. Okay, so now we're just gonna flip them. But be careful, they are very hot. And that is what I call a proper Welsh cake. See you soon, guys. Bye.